Before, I was like a hamster on a wheel. I was doing it and I was doing it and the kids were doing it with me, but we were not getting anywhere.
At the system level, what often breaks down and what was breaking down for us is everyone is kind of flailing in their own direction.
Across the district, we had like a gazillion different programs and nobody was doing it the same.
We found when we met as a team with the foundational skills were missing kind of across the board, that they were just missing those beginning skills that they didn't learn necessarily, and the teachers didn't know what to do to fix that.
I put my faith in evidence and research, and we only considered evidence-based programs.
Product is so user-friendly, from teachers who are in their very first year to veteran teachers. The program is really easy to implement.
I pick up that teacher's manual the morning that I'm about to teach it. It's all right there for me. It makes my teaching actually that much easier for me, and I feel confident in it because I know what I'm doing.
Within the first year, we noticed that our NWA scores had drastically gone up, not only in so much in reading, but science and math.
Our data graphs that were red and green, and now they were mostly red and now they're mostly green. And just that confidence in building and watching them like be successful in something is amazing.
Really great reading makes confident, excited readers with teachers who are not stressed out trying to figure out how to help them do that.
It has been probably the biggest, most effective program that I've ever used in my teaching career. This is year 12 of my teaching career.